Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I feel like it has been so long since I have filmed a video. I don't even know how long it's actually been, but it feels like forever. So I am back with another huge shopping spree slash collective haul for you guys. I do these typically at the end of every month, and it's just an accumulation of things that I have bought the past month or so that I haven't already showed in a dedicated video. So I've got some really fun brands in here. I got Dyson, Aritzia, Steve Madden, Revolve, Amazon, SKIMS, Dossier, and I think that's it. So I'll have all these items linked in the description box for you guys to shop. And yeah, sorry I've been kind of absent. I just wanted to take a little break and spend the past week or so hanging out and spending time with my family since it was Thanksgiving. I stayed at my parents' house a few nights, and it was really nice to get to spend time with them instead of having to worry about work. So I'm so sorry, but I'm back. And I'm really excited for this video. And if you guys are, then just keep watching. I wanted to talk really quickly about my favorite fragrance company of all time. This is Dossier. You guys know the drill. I talk about them all the time on my channel. I'm genuinely and utterly obsessed with them, and I don't know what I would do if Dossier didn't exist. But basically they're a fragrance website that replicates designer-inspired fragrances for a fraction of the cost. It is the perfect gift to give to somebody this holiday season. It would make a great stocking stuffer, and you should definitely ask for a Dossier fragrance for Christmas. They have so many fragrances to choose from on their website. I'll have a link in the description box if you guys want to check them out. I also do have a discount code. It is Hannah Victoria 10 for 10% off your order, and they are just fantastic. I'm obsessed. So Dossier also has a new payment method that lets you earn store credit. You can select Catch at the last of a checkout and earn a $10 sign-on bonus. Get rewarded with 10% store credit on every order. So like I said, I'll have a link to their website in the description box, but we're gonna see what I got. I swear I own every single Dossier fragrance at this point, so I get really excited when it's one that I haven't tried yet. So this is Citrus Neroli, and it's inspired by Tom Ford Neroli Portofino EDP. I don't think I've tried this one, so I'm really excited. Holy crap. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I haven't smelled anything like this before. Like, it's not typically a fragrance I would gravitate towards, but it's really, really nice. The top notes are neroli, bergamot, mandarin, and lemon. And the middle notes are orange blossom, jasmine, lavender. Base notes are musk and amber. I don't even know what neroli smells like, but wow. Okay. I actually really, really like that. And I'm very picky with my fragrances. This next one is Aromatic Star Anise. I'm so bad at pronouncing things, but this is inspired by Dior's Sauvage. And this is the Toilette. So it's not gonna be as concentrated, but it's still 12%. Sometimes I like a Toilette. Ooh, yeah, okay. This is, I think, a men's, or maybe it's unisex, but I'm pretty sure this is like a men's fragrance. Wow, yeah, I've smelled the actual Dior one before, and this smells just like it. I'm not even kidding. This is crazy. I probably wouldn't wear this one because it does kind of smell like a man, but if you guys are looking for a good fragrance to gift your boyfriend, your dad, your brother, whoever for Christmas, try this one out. Wow, I'm like so shook. So thank you so much to Dossier for partnering with me on this video. Don't forget guys to check the link in the description if you guys want to check out their website and use my discount code Hannah Victoria 10 for 10% off. They also do free 30-day returns. I think I forgot to mention that, but they are just awesome and the perfect gift to give this holiday season. Perfect stocking stuffer. And yeah, all right, without further ado, let's get into the rest of the haul. I feel like this month I haven't really been buying a lot. I don't know. Super rare for me, but I really have not spent that much money this month. So I don't have a ton of stuff, but what I do have is pretty good. So we're gonna start off with some random stuff. I purchased the Dyson Airwrap Kowanda attachment. Kowanda smoothing dryer. Okay, so basically I have the old Airwrap, like the original one that came out, and I really wanted the new one, but only for this specific attachment. So I was like, why would I spend another $600 on an Airwrap when mine is literally the same thing and in perfect condition? So I found the attachment on Dyson's website and it's been sold out, back ordered for so long, and I finally got my hands on it. I actually had to order 2. So yeah, I actually ordered a different color because it said it was on back order and I could order it, and I ordered it and it still hasn't shipped yet. But then I was looking at the website one day and saw that they had this one in stock. So I purchased it, but it's in the copper and like nickel color. I own the fuchsia one, so it doesn't match, but I don't care. But it's really cool. It's basically a hair dryer, like it's the hair dryer attachment, but if you switch it off, wait, so that's the hair dryer, and if you switch it to the side, it acts as a smoothing tool. And I have really bad flyaways on the top of my head. Obviously my hair's in a bun right now, so you can't see, and it's really gross, but yeah, I have a bunch of flyaways and probably some breakage from bleaching the heck out of my hair. So this is really, really good for just smoothing everything down. It does kind of flatten my hair a little bit, but I'd honestly rather have my hair flat to my head than a bunch of flyaways. So I would recommend this. I'll try and find a link for you guys. 10 out of 10 recommend. I don't know what I'm gonna do when the other one gets here, if it ever gets here. Okay, we're gonna get into what I got from Aritzia. I just did a like dedicated try on haul for Aritzia not too long ago, so I'll have that linked down below. And if you guys watched that video, you might remember me mentioning a jacket that I got, and I said that the stitching was messed up and that I needed to send it back. Well, I got in touch with their customer service and I was taking pictures to send to them. Well, when I was going to take the pictures, it wasn't messed up anymore. So I don't know what was going on, but a lot of people have been telling me to return it or exchange it or whatever, but all is well. I actually wore it last night. It's perfectly fine. I don't know what happened. I don't know if it just needed to be smoothed out. I don't know, but all is well with that. So if you guys were wondering about the jacket saga, it's over. So I actually saw my YouTube friend, Cameron Jewel, get these. I don't know if she got the same colors, but she mentioned this in one of her, was it a TikTok or a YouTube video? I can't remember, but I ran to the Aritzia website and got them. So this is the Babaton satinette long sleeve bodysuit, and I got both of these in an extra small. This one's in a red shade. I just thought it'd be so pretty for the holiday season. Like, it's absolutely stunning, and this is my favorite bodysuit of all time. Literally, it's perfect, so flattering, and I love it so much. So I had to get the red shade, and then I also really liked this brown. Oh my gosh, it is absolutely gorgeous. I'm obsessed with it. So I got those. That's all that I got from Aritzia, believe it or not. Next up, from Steve Madden. My mom actually got me these. I think she saw them at Belt or somewhere. Maybe she bought them online. I don't know, but she got them for herself and then asked if I wanted some. So I was like, sure, I love these. They're so stinking cute. They're called the Lexa Booty in the sand and suede color. And these are stunning. I've been needing some booties in like a off-white, like taupey color almost for the longest time. And I actually need some black ones because I just realized yesterday I don't have any like good black booties other than my Gucci ones that are over here. I don't know if you guys can see. So I might be ordering these in black because they're really stinking cute. And I tried them on and they're really comfortable. And I just think these would look good with so many outfits. So got those. Okay, so next up from SKIMS. This is actually, I haven't even opened this, but I placed a pretty big order and I have more stuff on the way, but that will have to be saved for my next haul because it's not here yet. This is the logo pointelle set, and I got this in an extra small. I just thought that this was super cute for the holidays, and these might be like my Christmas pajamas. So that's the top, and then these are the leggings, and they're so cute and fun. I love them. So I got that. Haven't tried that on, but I'm sure it'll fit. And I also got these pants. It's a really funny story, but these are the Cozy Knit unisex jogger. And then I also got the unisex hoodie. And I got the hoodie in a extra small, or like extra small? Extra small, just extra small. But on the website it said extra small / extra small. But when it came, it was just an extra small. This fits great. I love it. It's super cute, super comfortable. I've worn it a ton. It does shed a little bit. However, they were sold out of extra smalls and the joggers. So I really, really wanted them. And I was like, okay, I'll just do a small medium because that was the next size up. Well, they sent me a freaking medium and they are huge, like actually ginormous. So I've worn them and I'm gonna keep them. I might just give them to a friend or something whenever an extra small comes back in stock, because these are just huge on me. Like, they swallow me. I have to roll them. I have to like tie them really tight. Lengthwise, they're pretty decent, but I just need a different size. I also got the, what is this called? Cotton rib long sleeve cropped Henley. I've worn this already. Super cute. I got it in black and extra small and super flattering. It makes your boobs look good. And it's like a good cropped length. I wish it was like a little bit more cropped, but it's fine. And then I also got the cotton rib onesie in like the ruby shade, I want to say, in an extra small. And I've worn this. Super cute, super comfortable, just for lounging with some Ugg slippers with like a cozy robe over it. It's just like super cute, and I love to lounge around in it. I don't know. Don't know what else to say. I wouldn't wear this out necessarily, but it's just like an easy outfit for a cozy night in. That sounded sponsored, but it's not. So next up, from Hopi Boutique, literally one of my favorite boutiques ever. Go check her out. I love her. Hope has been one of my friends for literally years, like since I was 14. She's killing it. Check her boutique out, Hopi Boutique. I'll have it linked in the description. Use my code TORI15 for 15% off. But she sent me this dress. I didn't even know she was sending this to me, but it's so cute. It's called the Cocktail Hour Ribbed Dress, and it's in a small. And guys, it is so singing cute. I'll have to throw up a picture on the screen of what this looks like, because you can't really tell. Okay, maybe a little bit. It kind of like crosses over in the front, and it's like a knit material. It's to die for, with a jacket over it. It's just perfect. Perfect winter dress. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Thank you so much, Hope. Okay, next up, from Revolve, I have 2 feathered items that I got for my birthday. So I just turned 23 a couple weeks ago, which is crazy to say. I still feel 16, but and I was looking on Revolve because I didn't know like what I wanted to wear for my birthday or anything, and I came across this dress and this feather top. And actually, now that I'm thinking about it, Hope just released a feather dress almost identical to this on her website. That was probably a fraction of the price of this. So definitely go check her out if you want like a feather dress like this. But this one's super cute as well. But I wore this when, what did I wear? Oh yeah, okay, so I went to a winery the day before my birthday with a bunch of my friends. Check out my 23rd birthday like video. I show like a bunch of pictures and talk about what I did. So if you guys want to see this dress on, head over to that video. I wore this to the winery. I took a TikTok in this. I got this in an extra small, I believe, and it's by the brand Super Down, but it's so cute. The feathers do come off a little bit, but it's to die for, and it's super flattering. Also, the day before my birthday, when I went out to the bars, I wore this top, and this is from Super Down as well. I got this in a small and pink. I don't know if I have any pictures of this, but this was a hit. Even though people were saying that I looked like a flamingo, it was totally fine because it's my birthday. But I actually ordered this top in black months ago in an extra small, and I couldn't even get it on, and I'd already taken the tags off, so I haven't worn that one. So I decided to size up and get a small in this. I would say this does run pretty small, but yeah, this one fits great. And I need to try the black one on again and see if I can wear it now. But super cute top, especially for a special occasion, birthday, whatever. And they have it in a couple of different colors. So I'll have those linked down below. Last but not least, from Amazon, this is probably one of my favorite items in this haul. I got the Levi Low Pro denim jeans, straight leg jeans. Don't know what wash this is. I'll have them linked down below. But got these off of Amazon. It took a while for them to get here, but I'm obsessed. If you saw my last collective haul, I mentioned that I got these same jeans, but I got them in a size 24, which is my which is my usual size. And I got them in a lighter color with like some rips, and they fit good, but I wanted to size up. So these would be like really baggy and super, just like super low rise. I'm obsessed. These are very, very baggy, very big, not that flattering, but they accentuate my waist and my torso really nicely because I don't have a torso. So I love how these look on me. I'll have them linked down below. I'll throw up pictures on the screen. Oh my gosh, these are so stinking flattering, and I'm obsessed. I'm actually obsessed. They make me look snatched. So run, don't walk. All right guys, that is it for today's video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, click that bell. I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, which are on the screen and also listed and linked in the description box below. Don't forget to check out Dossier and use my discount code HannahVictoria10 for 10% off your order. Again, I'm so sorry for being absent for like the past 2 videos. I'm back, even though I look really rough right now. I'm back. But yeah, I love you guys. Thanks for being patient with me. And now the fun part. I gotta clean all this stuff up. But okay, I love you guys so much. And I'll hopefully see you very soon in my next one. Bye guys.